that no matter where you see me in the world, understand this about your homie Ice Cube. I don't care if you see me in the goddamn South Pole. Just understand this. I always rep that motherfucking West. Yo, London, this our last song. Rock with us, baby. Come on, bang. Come on. You got a problem with that? Then the nigga go bang, 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 bang. I be everywhere in the back, but I rep that West. 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 I rep that. I don't got to let that boy in the building. Don't you know that he about to kill us? Don't you know that he about to hurt your feelings? Ain't fine when I'm about to put up play the runs. I'm scared. Why? Cause I can't babysit him. I'm a ripple. Treated like badass children. It's an evil. Y'all better call them people. How I get down just ain't legal anymore. I'm like Louis Vuitton. I rip this shit right here. Call them Marathon. Boom. I'm blown like a cherry bomb. You a small donation, bitch. I'm a ton. That's what's in the eye. What isn't that shit? That niggas go silly, y'all. Hell no, the pyroclastic flow is another thing. West side. I'm doing my own thing. And if you got a problem with that, then niggas just go bang, 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 bang. And I be everywhere in the back. But I rep that West. 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 I rep that. I rep that West. I rep that West. I rep that West. I rep that Dub. I rep that S. I'm a monster. West side Los Angeles. I'm a problem. One man. I'm a less Los Angeles. So sad. Look, I think so. Home of soul like a picture. If you go there, the warfare is special. Bring a wheelchair. You're probably gonna need it. Need this motherfucker. A pair of police. People around the world that think they wanna ride. Don't get your ass caught up like Lil Wayne. Two West Coast for the West Coast. Two West Coast to Cerritos. Two soul foods of burritos. Gambling in Toledo. Go downtown. Give a Babacito. This my town. I run it. You want it. You just down there again. I call it my own. Come on, bang. Come on. And if you got a problem with that, then niggas they go bang. Bang, bang, bang. And I be everywhere on the map. But I rep that West. 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 What? You got a problem with that? Then niggas they go bang, 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 bang. And I be everywhere on the map. But I rep that West. 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 I rep that. Thank you, London. Thank you. We love the UK, y'all. Yo, I'd like to thank the homeboys Naughty by Nature. And I want to thank you for coming out tonight. Thank you. Yeah. Also, give it up for the homeboy. My homeboy partner in crime, Dub C. And my son, homeboy in the house. On the wheels of steel, DJ Crazy Tools. Hey, yo, London, I want y'all to make some noise for my homeboy who started gangsta rap. Make some noise for Ice Cube. Fuck the haters. Fuck the haters. It's all in your face. All the time, walking your place, but that's that. Yo. London, England. London, England. One more time before I go. Oh, yay, yay. Oh, yay, yay. Peace. We love y'all motherfuckers, man. We out of here. We'll be in the back signing autographs when you buy that CD.
say just bless